Sound the alarm, I'm coming up. We'll have a ball. I'm sweet like a buttercup. You're a Barbie doll. Show them all what I'm made of. Strut down the hall. Won't stop till I get enough. I wanna live right now. Baby, I'm as young as the night. I wanna dance right now.
Hello everybody. Right, I've just come to Longridge. I've come to an Aldi just to get some shopping in for today and for tomorrow. I'm going to park up round this area tonight, Longridge. Paul, who's got who I know from a camper van, he's recommended down at the Derby Arms, but I don't know what it's like. He said it's okay, but I'm going to go down to the Derby Arms first, see what that's like. If it's no good and I'm not happy with it, I'm going to go to Jeffrey Hill where I've parked before. So yeah, it's going a bit too dark now to go Beacon Fell Country Park, but I thought I'll try Derby Arms first. So I'll keep you informed, everybody. Take care, catch you later.
Don't stop, turn it up. Don't stop, turn it up. Sound the alarm, I'm coming up. We're going hard. Pour some more into my cup. Sparkling star, crystal glitter all over. Get in my car, let's go to my favorite club. Rich like a queen, all my clothes are designer. Life is a dream, don't wanna wake up from her. Strawberry cream, my lips taste just like sugar. Come here to me.
Welcome back. Well, I've just been to the Derby Arms then. Derby Arms pub, I went to it. The car park were no good. Right, I went to the Alston Arms. Oh. Hi everybody. Right, I left Aldi. I drive down to Derby Arms pub, and it is a good, decent park up, but it were packed out. I'll straighten the camera there. That's better. Yeah, it was a good park up, but too busy. Obviously, we've been Christmas. There's going to be a lot of Christmas parties. It's going to be busy. So no. But when I got there and I checked my camera and everything, I hadn't recorded from Aldi to the Derby Arms, so I haven't got it on film. So I set the film off when I set off, and I ended up finding another place, the Alston Arms pub, not far, about a mile away, coming into Longridge again. But it weren't for me. I drove on, checked it out. There was an odd standing at back, but I think it was reserved for something else. And I'm not going to risk that because it was only very small. Not my type of park up, that. Not my type at all. So I'll let you know later. I'm currently parked up. I'll let you know later where I end up heading to and parking up for the night further on in this video. And currently pulled into a Sainsbury's, and that's also in Longridge. So if you ever come to Longridge, there's a Aldi and a Sainsbury's, and on Berry Lane up there, there's all types of shops, takeaways, everything. But I've got everything in. But I'm only parked on this Sainsbury's. You've got 2 hours. I'm going to get back, get in the back, make myself a brew and everything, and wait until the traffic calms down. And I don't know whether to go up to Jeffrey Hill, or I don't know yet, or find somewhere else. But I'll let you know later. Take care. Respect. Bye-bye. Hi everybody. It's late on, and I'm heading towards the Shaw's Arms in Preston, next to the River Ribble. So I'm going to be setting off now. Yeah, it's not so far away. I've just been to see a friend in Preston. He owns a camper as well. So yeah, I'm off down there and park up for the night there. I'll do a video in the morning. So yeah, I just want to say a thank you to all my subscribers what have been subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. Yeah, I'll keep the videos coming, so respect to you all. Thank you very much. So I'll speak to you all soon. Respect. Right, hello everybody. I've arrived at the Shores Arms in Preston. It's quiet. There's another motorhome, an October Express motorhome. Looks alright, yeah. But it's all shut up, I think. Yeah. I'm going to get at the back now. Make an hot chocolate, I think. And put some shopping away what I got from Aldi. Because I've just come. Before I went to my friend's house, Paul, who's got the camper, I went up to Longridge to have a look at a park up, but it weren't suitable. And I thought I was going to go to Jeffrey Hill, around that area, No Green. But I decided to come back, see a friend in Preston, Paul, have a look at his camper, and see the jobs he'd been doing on it. He didn't want to be on film, so I couldn't film anything. So I've just arrived here at the Shores Arms now. Tomorrow I'll be doing a video showing you around. Yeah, like I said before, I went out to Longridge, I went to an Aldi. I got some shopping in, which is at back there. I'm going to put it all away and chill out. So, respect. I'll see you all later. Take care and keep on watching my videos. Nice and early down at the Shores Arms. Arrived here late last night, but a good park up. I'm just adjusting my camera now. That's it. There you go. View of the River Ribble. I'll take you to it now. There's London Road Bridge. There's a couple of bins here on the park up. There's my Fiat Ducato. There's another motorhome parked up. So yeah, good park up. Quiet night, but I arrived here late after visiting a friend of mine. So I'll just show you around a bit more. Today, I don't know where I'll be going. I've not decided yet. I'm going to have my breakfast and everything. Have a couple of brews and take it from there. But I'll keep you informed anyway. There's a guild wheel. It's part of the guild wheel, this. Can you see? And also goes that way. I'll be showing you up here later. This pathway. It's a nature reserve. I'll show you up there later. As you can see, all woodlands and everything. So there's the park up again. leading up to the Old Shores Arms pub. Used to be a pub for years, but it shut down and never reopened. It's just derelict. There's another nature reserve part of it, pathway. So yeah, I'll be showing you around here after. It's called Fishwick Local Nature Reserve. So you can see all the maps there. And recreational ground dog controls at Fishwick. Public Space Protection Order. There's another bin there, plenty of bins, so should be no reason for any rubbish. Show you down here now. Football pitches are there. River Ribble. The river running right down there. And when it's heavy rain and it floods, it covers all that field and onto the football pitches. There's another park up you can go to. But sometimes at night time you get boy races down here and people smoking, as you can see with a litter over there. Well, yeah, there you go. That takes you down. If you carry on this road, that takes you up to, it was called the Loney. It takes you up to Callan Estate, housing estate. That's if you walk all the way down there. If you walk all the way down there, that's where it takes you, up to Callan. There you go. As you can see. Police keep coming down here watching as it gets a few boy races and a bit of activity down here, so there you go. That's the Gregson Lane Junior Football Club, the Frank Thomas Sports Ground. So let's walk across here now. But where I'm parked over there, you don't get them parking up at night. No boy races and all that. So yeah, if you do come down here, I'd recommend parking where I am parked, where I parked up last night. If you come down here and want to go fishing, you can buy a day ticket, as you can see there. A couple of men fishing down there, as you can see. There you go. That pathway takes you all the way to Brockholes. If you walk on that pathway all the way down there, walk all the way down there, that takes you to Brockholes Nature Reserve, just off the M6 at Tickle Trow. So that's recommended to go there, but I'll have to go down there and park up one night. So there you go, folks. I'll do some more videoing after and filming after, and I'll take you around this nature reserve here. There you go, Fiat Ducato van. There's a van coming down now. So, there you go. Got some water and some supplies in yesterday. So, okay then. Okay everybody. So there you go. That's where I parked up last night. It's only 8 o'clock in the morning here. So, it'll get a few more cars down later, but I'll do a bit more filming and I'll show you more around the nature reserve, like I said before. So, catch you all later. Stay strong. Merry Christmas. Subscribe to me and be happy. Stay safe everyone. Hello everybody. Right, after I filmed the park up, where we're parked up for the night, I got back in my camper, made some breakfast, made a brew, got in bed and fell asleep for 1 hour and a half. Before, when I was filming round the park up, I just woke up and I felt knackered, but I feel great now. So before, earlier on in the film, I told you about Fishwick Nature Reserve, which is over in this direction. I'm going to go and show you now. So here we go. There you go folks, that's one part of the nature reserve and there's another part to it, but it started raining heavy now, so I'm going back to my camper to have a cup of coffee and put everything away and get ready for on the road. So I will catch you all later, so stay tuned, subscribe and be happy. Respect everyone. See you soon. Bye bye.